Hello, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. Head over to my channel and check some of my other projects and ideas. Just paid a visit to the home center and gather all the needed items for this project. I am going to be installing double security doors made with single doors. I started by raising the door using wood blocks, and drilled stucco with concrete bit, and installed the one-way bottom screw. With the bottom screw in place, level the door and continue by installing the top screw. I will be cutting the lock cover plate on my first door, in order to get the second door to align. You will see why in a minute. Since I'm using single doors, the plate will interfere to get them to align properly. After cutting the plate, continued by aligning the second door and installing all the remaining screws, cutting the top bar to proper fit, and complete the frame. Drill holes as needed, and secure top bar. We have finished the double security door installation, made with single doors. Someone at the home center told me it wasn't possible. Yes, you can. Now it's time to move to the locks. Going to be installing 6-inch security door latch slide bolt on top and bottom. This is a Kwikset electronic keypad, single cylinder deadbolt. Connect the battery pack and install the cover. Now it's time to set your pin and test the lock. We have finished the double security door installation and locks, and installed the lock cover plates on the right door. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.